Hello everyone. Our subject is microeconomics. We already start our unit number 2, that is utility analysis. So I repeat, we already complete meaning of utility and types of utility. We have, I repeat, what do you mean by utility? Utility means satisfaction, or you can say power of commodity or capacity of commodity to satisfy human needs and wants. Clear? For example, food has a utility because it can satisfy the need of hunger. Then water has a utility because it can satisfy the need of thirsty. Clear? So each and every product has a utility which can satisfy the needs and wants of the human beings. Medicine has a utility because it can satisfy the need of sick person. Clear? Then here is poison has a utility because it can satisfy the need of the person who want to suicide. So each and every product has a utility. Utility means satisfaction, or you can say the power, the capacity of commodity to satisfy human needs and wants. Clear? Wine has a utility because it can satisfy the need of drunkard person. Clear? So each and every product possesses the utility. I repeat, here is utility and usefulness are different. Clear? For example, wine, alcohol. Clear? Then here is cigarette, then poison, that type of product not useful for each and every person, but then also this type of product possess the utility. For example, here is poison has a utility. Clear? Why? Because it poison has a utility because it can satisfy the need of person who want to suicide. Poison is not useful for each and every person, so utility and usefulness are different. Utility is not synonymous with the pleasure. Clear? Pleasure means happiness. For example, medicine, when you if you fall sick and if you consume medicine, then if you consume medicine or use the medicine, then it will not provide happiness to you. Clear? So it is not it is different. So utility is not similar with the pleasure. Then utility is subjective, means different from person to person. Clear? Literate person means educated person find utility in books and newspaper. Why? Because he can able to read, he is able to read. Clear? On the contrary, on the opposite side, illiterate person never find any utility because he is not able to read. So is subjective means different from person to person. Then utility varies different according to different situation. In short, utility means satisfaction. Food has a utility because it can satisfy the need of hunger. Liquor has a utility because they are people who like to have liquor, drunkard person. Clear? Bitter medicine also possess the utility because there are patients who need them. Clear? Sick person. So this is the introductory part. We already discussed types of utility. Form utility. Form we already discussed in first lecture. This. Clear? Form utility means to convert one form into another form, to changing the form of the material. Generally, for example, wood is transferred into furniture, then utility is increased. Clear? Then milk converted into curds, buttermilk, then utility is increased. Then clay of river bank has a less utility, but when we make toys and pots, then utility increase. Clear? Then place utility means changing the one place. Clear? Changing the place from one place to another place, moving commodity from one place to another place. The sand at seashore has fetches the no price, but the same has to be purchased at price in the heart of the city. Clear? The stone in mine has a less utility, but when they shifted for construction purpose, the utility is increasing. Then time utility means here is certain things are used during the certain period of time. Clear? Woolen cloth have a more utility during winter season. Raincoat has a more utility during rainy season. Medicine have a more utility for sick person as compared to healthy person. Clear? So here is many dealers purchase kites during off season and store them carefully and sell them during the festival of Makar Sankranti at higher price. Clear? So it is time utility. Then let's start total utility and marginal utility. Total utility means total satisfaction you will derive when you consume the product. Clear? Total utility એટલે શું થશે? Total sum total of utilities means total satisfaction you will obtain by consume the product. Clear? For example, the first apple gives, if you are hunger, clear. And if you consume apple, first apple gives 10 units of utility, and second apple will give you 5 units of utility, means satisfaction. So total satisfaction કેટલું થશે? 10 plus 5 15. So total utility means total satisfaction. Then marginal means extra, clear. When you consume extra unit of apple, then how much satisfaction you will derive, which is known as marginal utility. When you use the extra units of apple, when you use extra apple, then how much satisfaction you will derive? Additional units of the commodity, clear. તમે જેમ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ફર્સ્ટ એપલ, સેકન્ડ, થર્ડ, ફોર્થ, તમે જે એડિશનલ એપલ યુઝ કરો એમાંથી તમને કેટલું એડિશનલ એક્સ્ટ્રા સેટિસ્ફેક્શન મળે એને શું કહેવાય? માર્જિનલ. So on other hand refers to change, additional or subtraction in the total utility caused by consumptions of additional unit of the commodity. One word you have to keep in mind for marginal utility, that is additional unit of the product. When you consume additional unit of the product, then how much satisfaction you will derive, that is known as marginal utility, clear. So here is total utility, 10, 18, 23, 25, 25, 24 and 21, clear. Marginal utility means here is first one total utility and marginal utility same 10 10. Second unit extra additional unit માંથી કેટલું satisfaction મળ્યું? 18. તો 18 minus 10 એટલે શું આવશે? 8, clear. 23 minus 18 means marginal utility 5. 25 minus 23 2. 25 minus 25 0. 24 minus 25 minus 1. 21 minus 24 minus 3, clear. So it is observation from the table. જે table આપ્યું છે, clear, total utility and marginal utility નું એનું observation analysis છે. First one, total utility increase up to some point, then it falls. So here is total utility is increasing 10, 18, 23, 25, 25. So up to some limit, total utility is continuously increasing. Then it start reducing 24 and 21. Clear. So first observation, total utility increase up to some point. Clear. Then it start reducing when you satisfy. Then second one, marginal utility continuously fall till it moves to zero and become negative. So here is marginal utility continuously reducing 10, 8, 10, 8, 5, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3. Then it fall to 0 and become negative, minus 1 and minus 3. Why? Because marginal means when you use the additional unit, then you will satisfy your needs, clear. તમે જેમ extra apple consume કરો second, third, fourth, so you can satisfy your need, and sometimes you are fully satisfied means 0, and if you are fully satisfied, then there should be no need of extra apple, so it's become negative means minus, clear. So total utility is maximum when marginal utility is 0. Total utility maximum ક્યારે છે? At unit 5, 25. At that time marginal utility કેટલી છે? 0. જો જ્યારે total utility maximum હોય ત્યારે marginal utility કેટલી હોય? 0. When marginal utility become negative, total utility also start diminish એટલે reducing. હવે marginal utility જ્યારે negative થાય, when marginal utility become negative, at that time total utility is also start diminishing means reducing, decreasing, clear. Marginal utility 0 એનો meaning શું થશે? You are fully satisfied, clear. And marginal utility is negative એનો meaning શું થશે? There should be no further requirement of extra additional apple, you are fully satisfied, clear. So here is our first question, that is law of diminishing marginal utility, clear. હવે આમાં બે જ question છે આ યુનિટમાં. Only 2 questions you have to prepare. First one, law of diminishing marginal utility, and second question, law of equivalent marginal utility. હવે આ question પૂછાય law of diminishing marginal utility માં, તો તમારે કેટલા points cover કરવાના? તો કે first one, meaning of total utility and marginal utility, meaning of law of diminishing marginal utility, table, graph, observation, assumption, exceptions, means upward where law of diminishing DMU does not applicable, exception, upward, clear. And practical importance. આટલા points આ question માં cover કરવાના, clear. So first one, we only discuss meaning of law of diminishing marginal utility. સો ફર્સ્ટ લો મીન્સ રૂલ્સ. ડિમિનિશિંગ નો મિનિંગ શું થશે? રિડ્યુસિંગ. માર્જિનલ એટલે વેન યુ કન્ઝ્યુમ એડિશનલ યુનિટ ઓફ ધી પ્રોડક્ટ. સેકન્ડ એપલ, થર્ડ એપલ, ફોર્થ એપલ, આને શું કહેવાશે? એડિશનલ યુનિટ ઓફ ધી પ્રોડક્ટ. જેમ તમે એડિશનલ પ્રોડક્ટ યુઝ કરો, એક્સ્ટ્રા યુનિટ ઓફ ધી પ્રોડક્ટ યુઝ કરો, એમ તમારું નીડ છે, વોન્ટ્સ છે, એ સેટિસ્ફાઈ થતી જાય. સો હિયર ઇઝ યોર નીડ્સ એન્ડ વોન્ટ્સ diminishing. Clear? You are fully satisfied when you use extra additional unit of the product. So diminishing એટલે કે your satisfaction when you consume more and more product, your satisfaction level will be reducing or diminishing. For example, if you hunger and if you consume first apple, then it will provide maximum satisfaction. Then after marginal product like second apple, third apple, fourth apple, then your satisfaction level will be reducing because you can satisfy your need with the help of 2 or 3 apples. So more fourth apple, fifth apple will provide no satisfaction. Clear? So your diminishing means when you consume more and more product. Law of diminishing marginal utility no meaning શું થશે? તો કે when you consume additional unit of the product, when you consume extra unit of the product, your satisfaction level will be reducing. તમને ભૂખ લાગી હોય અને તમે ફર્સ્ટ એપલ ખાઓ તો તમને એમાંથી મેક્સિમમ સેટિસ્ફેક્શન મળે. ક્લિયર? પછી સેકન્ડ એપલ, થર્ડ એપલ, ફોર્થ, ફિફ્થ, તમારું સેટિસ્ફેક્શન લેવલ શું થાય? ડિમિનિશિંગ મીન્સ રિડ્યુસિંગ, ઘટતું જાય. ક્લિયર? Professor Marshall has introduced this law. It presents the human behaviors of human being. Generally, when we start consuming any commodity continuously, કોઈ પણ commodity હોય, product હોય, તમે continuously use કરો, then it is our experience that each new unit, extra unit of product lose its importance or utility. હવે તમને for example પાણી પીવાની તરસ લાગી હોય. Clear? If you are thirsty, so if you consume first glass of water, then it will provide maximum satisfaction. Then second glass, third glass, fourth glass of water, your satisfaction level will be reducing, diminishing. For example, if you are hungry, you have 6 apples. Clear? તમને ભૂખ લાગી હોય, તમારી પાસે 6 apple હોય. Now you start consume one by one. The first apple will give you maximum satisfaction. તમને ભૂખ લાગી હોય, તમે first apple consume કરો તો તમને એમાંથી કેવું satisfaction મળશે? Maximum. Then here is second apple, then third, fourth. You will see utility is reducing, diminishing. That's why it is known as diminishing marginal utility. Simple. નામ ઉપરથી જ meaning છે. Marginal એટલે જેમ તમે extra product, extra unit of product consume કરો, extra apple, for example second apple, third apple, fourth, એમ તમારી utility, satisfaction શું થશે? Diminishing, reducing. Clear? Then second apple, third, fourth, you will see utility is reducing. Means utility, satisfaction level is diminishing, reducing. Perhaps after eating 4 apple, fifth apple has a zero utility. It means you are completely satisfy your needs. આપણે ચાર્ટમાં પણ જોયું હતું, marginal utility continuously reducing. Marginal એટલે when you use additional unit of the product. So marginal utility continuously reducing, and after some point it becomes negative. Some point of time it becomes 0 to negative. Zero no meaning શું થશે? Zero marginal utility means you are fully satisfy your needs. Negative means there is a no additional apples are required. Clear? Further there will be no requirement of apple. So it is diminishing means when you consume more and more products, when you consume more and more apple, your satisfaction level, your utility level will be reducing or diminishing. Clear? તમને ભૂખ લાગી હોય ને તમે ફર્સ્ટ એપલ યુઝ કરો તો એ તમને મેક્સિમમ સેટિસ્ફેક્શન આપશે. એના પછી તમને સેકન્ડ એપલ, થર્ડ એપલ, ફોર્થ એપલ, તમારું સેટિસ્ફેક્શન લેવલ શું થાય? ઘટતું જાય. ક્લિયર? ડિમિનિશિંગ. This is the meaning of law of diminishing marginal utility. Definition is given here is, as the consumer increase the consumption of any one commodity, keeping constant the consumption of all other commodity, marginal utility may decline. So simple. Marginal એટલે તમે જેમ એક્સ્ટ્રા યુનિટ પ્રોડક્ટ યુઝ કરો એમ તમારું સેટિસ્ફેક્શન લેવલ શું થાય? ઘટતું જાય. ભૂખ લાગી હોય તો ફર્સ્ટ એપલ ખાવ ત્યારે એમાંથી મેક્સિમમ સેટિસ્ફેક્શન મળે. પછી સેકન્ડ એપલ, થર્ડ એપલ, એમાં તમારું સેટિસ્ફેક્શન લેવલ ઘટતું જાય. વાય? બીકોઝ યુ કેન સેટિસ્ફાય યોર નીડ. ક્લિયર? So the law states that marginal utility derived by consumer from consumption of commodity goes on diminishing. He consumes more and more of the other things remain the same. તો તમે કોઈ પણ પ્રોડક્ટ હોય વધુ ને વધુ કન્ઝ્યુમ કરો તો તમારું નીડ્સ છે, વોન્ટ્સ છે, સેટિસ્ફાઈ થતી જાય. એટલે તમે જેમ જેમ એક્સ્ટ્રા યુનિટ યુઝ કરો, કન્ઝ્યુમ કરો, એમ તમારું સેટિસ્ફેક્શન લેવલ શું થાય? રિડ્યુસિંગ, ડિમિનિશિંગ. So here is again chart is given. Total utility means total satisfaction 10, clear, 18, 23, 25, 25, 24, and when total utility continuously increasing, marginal utility continuously reducing, sometimes it becomes 0 to negative. Marginal utility કેવી રીતના મળે છે? તો કે first 10 second કેટલા સેકન્ડ યુનિટ્સમાં કેટલા એક્સ્ટ્રા યુનિટ યુઝ કર્યા? 18. So 18 minus 10 એટલે 8. 23 minus 18 means 5. 25 minus 23 2. 25 minus 25 0. 24 minus 25 minus 1. 21 minus 24 21 minus 24 minus 3. 0. માર્જિનલ યુટિલિટી જો કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી રિડ્યુસિંગ થતી જાય છે. શા માટે? કેમ કે when you use extra unit of the product you can satisfy your needs, so it start reducing, diminishing, and sometimes it becomes 0. 0 means you are fully satisfy your need, and it becomes negative. Negative means there should be no further apple is required. Further વધારાના apple ની જરૂર નથી, you are fully satisfied. Clear? So here is graph is given. Here is on y-axis you have to write units, sorry, x-axis you have to write units of apple 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and y-axis you have to write utility 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24. Here is 0 અને નીચે શું આવશે? -1 and -3. Clear? So on graph ઉપરથી here is first unit of apple. Total utility કેટલી છે? 10, and marginal utility is also 10. So here is total utility 10 and marginal utility is also 10. Clear? Then second one, total utility 18 and marginal utility is 8. So you have to ક્યાં ડોટ કરવાનું? ડોટ્સ કરવાનું તમારે. Total utility 18 and marginal utility કેટલી છે? 10. Clear? So it is total utility 23 and marginal utility 5. So it is 23 and 5. So same way total utility is moving upward, so continuously increasing up to some point, then it will be reducing, and marginal utility continuously reducing, and it becomes 0 to negative, -3 and -1. Clear? So this is the chart you have to keep in mind. So અહીંયા સુધી રાખીએ. Clear? From next lecture, in next lecture we will complete this whole question. Clear? Law of diminishing marginal utility. So if you have any doubt or query, then you can message me. Clear? Thank you all.